My role, I play Shane. So Shane is a very specific guy. Alam niya yung gusto niya gawin sa buhay. Complete opposite ng kay Kayla. Ako naman, my alcohol is dirty martini, stirred not shaken. So hindi tayo James Bond dito. Stirred not shaken with 3 olives. So he's very specific, like his alcohol. He wants it perfectly with a faucet glass. His life also, he wants it like that. So ano ako, I like to control things. I wanna be able to control things, and I think that if I can, I'll get what I want. Pero like what Direk said, preferences change, especially with we're all victims of circumstance. That's life naman talaga. You can't control. You can plan a picnic, but you can't predict the weather, kind of thing, right? So everything changes for me when I meet Kayla because she's here. I don't expect naman na I'll like her. I don't expect naman na I'll get anything serious from this person. But it changes because I start to like her, and then the in-between is not something I want anymore. I want something more. And of all the girls or women that I come across, she's just the perfect one for me. So I guess ganun talaga sa life. Like January you plan you want to do this, and then come mid-March you want something else. And that's exactly what my parents were doing.